threading a Singer 404. This is a straight stitch only machine. It's got one spool pin on top, thread guide here, the tensioner, spring finger, then the thread goes behind this guard, through the take-up arm, through this thread guard, through that guide, and then there are two guides on the needle bar, that one and this one, and it threads from front to back. Bobbin winding on the 404. The 404 has a spool pin down below for winding bobbins. It's got clutch on the end to put it in bobbin winding mode. There's a tension button, and the thread goes under the tension bobbin, or button rather, and then up to, and this is just a press drive, and the thread wraps from the front around to the back and underneath, like so. The bobbin area for the 404. The needle plate comes out, and to remove it there is a lever on the right hand side of the machine that raises these pegs. To make it easier, I remove the needle and I rotate the machine until the feed dogs are at their lowest point, and then the needle plate pops right out. That way you can clean up underneath it. And then to remove the bobbin case, this black piece lifts and slides to the right. The bobbin case comes out, and you can pull this piece up and left to get it out, and then you can clean all underneath there. To reinstall it, it slips up and in, and it's very stiff to put in to make sure that it's under the spring that holds it in place. And then once you've got it in, slide it to the right, and then you'll be able to set your bobbin case back in place. And it's got a groove in it. That groove rides on the hook race, and then pull this black piece to the left until it drops in place and holds the bobbin case. To load a bobbin, drop the bobbin in so it's unwinding counterclockwise, and then there is a groove into the tensioner, and then the groove out of the tensioner. Throw our needle plate back in. Make sure that it gets in place, and then when you slide the cover shut, the tail of the bobbin comes out that slot, and then it will get picked up by your needle.